Advice about making money online that is easy to understand. Most everyone wants to learn how to make more money. And many people want the luxury of freelancing on their own, but they just do not know where to start. What if you could make money online by working from the comfort of your own home? Well, you might just be surprised to learn that you can. Continue watching to learn what you need to know. Sign up for a site that will pay you to read emails during the course of the day. You will simply get links to scan over different websites and read through miscellaneous text. This will not take you a lot of time and can pay great benefits in the long run. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. Even though you may be able to make money online regularly, keeping physical records of your work and earnings is still important. Print out the data from a well-maintained spreadsheet or keep a notebook by your computer. Keep accurate and up-to-date information that you will later need for tax purposes, to verify income or just for your own purposes. Data can be lost all too easily online. Take surveys. There's lots of places where you can take them. They can really help you earn extra money. Depending on the site, they usually don't pay much. Yet it is simple to perform these tasks during your free time. Over time, this revenue accrues nicely. To earn some quick cash online, try one of the many auction sites. These sites let you sell a myriad of items, both new and used. Collect together gently worn clothes from your closet. Then, photograph each piece and place them on an auction site. With these sites, you can set a minimum bid to ensure that you get the money you want from your clothes. As you can see, making money online is no longer a pipe dream. There are people all across the globe who are now making great money online. You will be able to be your own boss and make your own decisions about how much money you bring in from now on. Good luck! Student loan.